New York City people, are we buying fruit from those fruit stands on the side of the road? I have a fruit stand guy on my corner and we always say hi to each other when I walk past, but I've never actually bought anything there from the year that I've been in this neighborhood. I'm on the Upper East Side for reference. I'm just like scared of getting sick or something. It doesn't seem very sanitary, but I see a lot of people going there, so it must be decent. I don't know. Please advise.
Doesn't seem very sanitary.
Oh my god, you guys, a brown man just touched my banana. Is it still safe to eat it?
You are about to be pissed. You are about to be pissed with this one.
Seem very sanitary, but
yeah, it's time for you to go home. Expeditiously. I saw a comment that you said, oh, I'm from here. I'm from Long Island. I was born in the city and I grew up in Long Island as well. You're embarrassing us. Go home. Because let's not get it twisted. You're the same ones bringing your outside shoes into your home and walking around. That's germs. That's unsanitary. You don't bathe for 3 days. That's unsanitary. Not washing your legs. Unsanitary. Getting fruit from a fruit stand, bringing it home and washing it, hygienic. Do you go to a farmer's market? I bet you have. There's farmer's markets in the city. You wash the fruit. Like, what's not clicking? Like, I'm confused. So when you come home from the subway, do you not bathe? Do you just get in your bed with your outside clothes? Because I bet you do. That's unsanitary. Do you understand? Please go home.
This is for my NYC people. Are we buying the fruits from the fruit stands? Like, you know, those like dirty fruit stands around the corners? I always make sure to wave at them and say Assalamu alaikum. But are we actually buying the fruits from there? They're a bit dirty, like they're not Whole Foods level, you know? Just like don't want to catch a disease while eating these like dirty fruit. Usually I get my fruits from a fruit market with like a nice white lady. I just don't know about the ethnics. I just don't know if they like wash their fruits. For reference, I live in the Upper East Side, like just so you guys know, like I don't live in the dirty parts of the city. Something about those ethnic fruit stand people makes me not trust them. What's the consensus? Dirty fruits or no dirty fruits?
This is a message to that Upper East Side fruit Karen. What the heck were you talking about? First off, look at how fresh all this fruit looks. Like, my local grocery store doesn't even have mangoes and pineapple. This is where the locals actually go shop for their fruit and veggies because they know what's up. And look at these prices. Like, you can't beat that. This is Salim. He is the owner of this fruit cart and his selection is top tier. He's on 65th and Columbus. Go check him out. Got the goods. We got literally the sweetest box of grapes and not one, but 2 strawberries for $5. You see how fresh they look? Also, I do this with all fruit that I get at the grocery store, regardless of where I buy it, but you notice how I'm doing this thing called washing your fruit?
This woman, even when she was posting her first video, she had like people of color there, Indian people and like people from Arabic countries, and she was insinuating that they are dirty, the things that they are selling are not up to standard. And then the fellow white people in the comment section started saying that, oh yeah, when you go to farmers market, that's where you get like real stuff that are clean to eat. And then people are like, is it because white people are selling them? And people on the internet ain't having it. They're like, you know what, girl? You want to shop where white people are? Go and shop in your white people neighborhoods. Because that's where you think the good stuff are all that are clean. You're literally trying to insinuate that people of color, we are unhygienic. But then people are reminding her, white people, y'all don't brush your teeth. White people don't even wash your underwear. White people, you don't even take a shower. White people, hey, Jesus, hey. Ladies and gentlemen, New Yorkers, or if you've been to New York, let me know. Is there a problem with New York fruit stands? Or do you think this is actually very racist?
To that lady on the Upper East Side who does not believe in buying from the fruit carts, I'm going to show you my haul. The fruit carts on the side of the street in New York they're one of my favorite things about the city. If you talk to any of my family members back in California, it is one of the big things I rave about all the time, about like why I love New York. The fruit stands, the fruit carts, they're my favorite. I went shopping today and this is what you get for $13.50. Green beans. 6 bananas, I ate one already, and then I separate them so that they don't go bad super quickly. 6 Persian cucumbers. 3 things of spring onions. 3 of these for $2. 2 packs of strawberries, $3, I think. These tomatoes were $1. And finally, a whole pack of yellow onions. Trader Joe's and Whole Foods could never. $13.50 for all of this. Now, the only thing is you have to consume everything pretty quickly because most of this is kind of like a few days on its way out. But it's fresh produce and it's affordable and you're supporting a small business. I don't know what this lady is on about. I love the fruit carts.
This girl has gone viral for talking about fruit stands in New York City and asking like if it's sanitary to buy fruit from them. As a Midwest girl, I am confused where some of you who live in cities think that the food in your restaurants and grocery stores comes from. Because it's the ground, and the ground has like dirt and bugs. We used to get our popcorn straight from the farmer, so that meant we had to wash off our own grasshopper heads and cricket legs. Unless you're buying full corn on the cob, all those corn kernels that come popcorn, canned, frozen, doesn't matter if it's kernel. It was harvested with a combine. It's called combine because it combines the task of picking it and taking it off the cob. So they just have a truck full of kernels while they're leaving the field, and also every bug that was on the corn stalks. So if nobody told you yet, you are supposed to wash fruits and vegetables before you eat them.
Sometimes I think I overlook such things and then I'm like, it can't be that deep, right? It is literally fruits on the rod. You either buy them or you buy inside a supermarket. I am pretty much shocked that this white lady thinks they could be different. And I love the internet because the internet will do its thing. They literally put up the street, the address with this man of color. He is selling his fruits and people are coming to support. Why do white women have to literally stretch it too far sometimes, y'all? And in particular, white women. Why do they have to stretch it too far sometimes?
If you saw the stitches about this video, I'm about to cover her face because I really don't want to bully anyone, and I think she deactivated her profile. But basically, this woman was asking, hey, New Yorkers, what are we doing about these fruit stands? By the way, I'm from the upper side or whatever. I don't know, freaking know. But anyways, she's originally from Long Island. And all the comments were like, yeah, of course she's from Long Island, blah, blah, blah. And of course, New Yorkers did not hold back because she was implying that these fruits are gross or dirty or whatever. Anyways, going down that rabbit hole, I triggered myself because I remembered when I lived in Long Island for 3 years for grad school. The degree was worth it, but you cannot pay me enough to live there ever again. I have never experienced that much xenophobia in my whole entire life. And I don't want to be stereotypical, obviously, but you know, the population of Long Island, the white population there, you know, the Greeks, the Russians, the Italians, a portion of them are entitled, arrogant, and ignorant, and you know, they won. They can have it. I am not going back there, which sucks because you got Queens, you got Astoria, you got all these rich cultural places, and they have the best restaurants. But you know what? Peace out.